Hey guys, Tashdile everyone and welcome back to my channel. So today recipe I'm going to show you how to make one of my favorite recipe. And this recipe I learned from my grandma. Whenever I go to my grandma's house, she always making me this recipe. And because I really love this recipe, and I hopefully you guys also like this video. And let's get started how to make. And guys, before watching video, please do not forget to subscribe to my channel. First, I'm going to show you how to make vegetable first. For vegetable, here I'm going to use tomato, 2 eggs, some dried meat, ginger and garlic and some onion, and dried chili and green chili, and some, this is dry vegetable. It's called Gundruk. I don't think here you will find, so it's not necessary. If you have, you can add. For seasonings, here I'm going to use some turmeric powder and chili powder, cumin seed and garam masala, some sugar and fenugreek seed and Sichiuan pepper and some salt. That's it we need, and let's get started how to make. So first I'm going to boil the tomato. Just cut lightly outside skin. You don't need to cut deeply. Boil for 5 to 6 minutes. Now I'm gonna take out my all tomato. It's already cooked. This water I'm gonna put here. We want to soak this dry vegetable. Same water I'm going to boil. Here I already cut the bite pieces. So this is too hot, so first I'm going to boil for a few minutes because this dry meat is too hot. So here I'm going to grind it some cumin seed, Sichiuan pepper, just add a little bit salt. Now I'm going to make a powder. Now it's ready. Now I'm gonna add garlic and ginger. Now you need to make a paste. Now we're going to make omelette. Add some salt, just a little bit. Now make a small bite pieces. After heating the oil, I'm gonna add fenugreek seed. Now next I'm gonna add onion. Now onion is already brown color. Now I'm gonna add chili. The green chili is not spicy. So guys, if you are not non-spicy, then you can skip the chili. How much you want to add is depend on you. So I like to make little spicy. So I'm gonna add 1 teaspoon flour. You can add any kind of flour. It will be make like a little thick soup. My grandma making like this, so I follow her step. She told me if you add the flour will help to making gravy soup. Don't like the flour, So you can skip the flour, you can add corn flour also. Now I'm gonna add meat and egg. Now it's time to add tomato paste. Now mix very nicely. And before water little left, I'm gonna add this also. Okay. Now if you less the water, so you can add little water also. Now just boil for a few minutes. You don't need to cook over because we already cooked everything before. Now I'm gonna add finally this vegetable. If you want to fry, you can fry, but I don't like to fry, so I'm going to put directly. I'm gonna add just a little bit salt also because it's not enough. Now it's ready. Can you see? It looks like delicious. So here I'm going to take this fry pan. Now I'm gonna add some oil. Just apply the oil. Now you don't need to heat the oil. You just add the water. How much you want to make, you can add. Next I'm gonna add just a little bit flour and let them boil properly this water. Okay. Here flour I use Ragi flour. It's coming like this. I love this. Now it start to boil the water. Now I'm going to add slowly flour and continuously stir. Add the flour and continuously stir. Now cover and leave it for 5 minutes for low heat. Okay, so now it's already cooked. So how to know it's cooked or not? So it's coming like this, so it's already cooked. It's very crunchy, it's very yummy. Okay, now it's done. Okay, now it's ready. Now I'm going to turn off the heat. Now you can eat this also. It's very crunchy. I love this one. I will eat later this one. Now add the vegetable we make before. After that it's ready to eat. So guys, this is my final result. So if you want to know more recipe, please guys do not forget to subscribe, like, share it with your friends and family, and enjoy my homemade recipe. And thank you so much for watching my video, and we'll see you in next video. Bye bye.